Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to configure Telnet in Cisco Packet Tracer. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. In this video we will look at the configuration of the Telnet protocol for the router and for the switch. Briefly, what is the Telnet protocol and what is it for? Telnet is an application layer protocol that allows a network administrator to access and manage remote devices. So, Telnet configuration on a router. We will use the simplest topology for configuration. I have already assigned the IP address for this PC. This is number 2. As well as the IP address for the router interface gigabit 0/0. This is number 1. The next step is to configure enable password or enable secret password on the router. Let's configure a secret password and it will be classic Cisco. If you don't configure this password, you won't get past the executive mode of the router even after you establish a Telnet connection to the router. Next, we configure Telnet password on VTY lines. Let the password be simple admin and configure remote login. VTY means virtual terminal. Telnet access to the router is allowed through VTY lines. We can establish up to 16 Telnet connections to the router at the same time. That's what 0 and 15 means. Great, the main configuration is complete. Let's check the Telnet connection. So in the command prompt of the PC, enter Telnet and IP address of the router interface gigabit 0/0 and press enter. The router will ask for the password that we configure for the VTY line, that is admin, and then ask for the secret password, that is Cisco. And that's how we got access to the privileged mode in the router, as we can verify by entering the show run command. And here we see all our configuration that we did before. Okay, Telnet on the router has been configured. Now we will do the same for the switch. The configuration is generally similar, but there are minor differences. As in the first case, the IP address is already configured on PC. I gave PC the second address from this network. Now we assign an IP address to the VLAN 1 interface of the switch so that we can telnet the switch from PC using this address. We will use the Cisco password to configure enable password or enable secret password on the switch. As in the router, we configure a password for the VTY lines. Here we will enter the password admin. Okay, we've configured the switch. Let's check the Telnet connection. Go to the PC command prompt and enter Telnet command with the IP address that we have configured on the VLAN 1 interface. Great, the connection is established. Now enter the password for the VTY lines, this is admin, and then enter the enable password, this is Cisco. And so we got access to the switch and can view the device configuration and change it at our discretion, already via remote PC. That's all. Now we know a little more. Thanks for watching.